Hello everybody, this is Elena Spicer and I'm working on making a new journal for my memory keeping for August. So I decided to use the Amazon packaging to make a cover and a file folder. So I cut the envelope in half pretty much and then trimmed it top and bottom a little bit. Sorry, I had to turn my AC off, and then just measured everything so far. I decided to do something different than a cereal box for this month, just for fun, just to do something different. And so my journal is going to be like this, and then I'm going to cover the spine with just this felt piece from Michael's, I think. It's left over from another project and it's kind of narrow, so just going to go like this. And then I'm going to put this video on higher speed and I will check back with you at the end like usual. Hello again. So I just showed you my journal. I stitched around it. I stitched the spine just to make sure it stays. The yellow felt was a little bit too narrow, but I wanted to use it up. I didn't want to leave it as a scrap laying around. So, and then, of course, I love this. Without you, I'm empty inside. So this will be the front of my journal. And then I'm using this paper pad, and I'm just going through my old stash and trying to use up what I can. And this one says it's American Crafts, but if it's from 2015, so-called Wildflower from 2015. And I already used some papers in this paper pad, so I'm just working with leftovers. I think the colors and the designs are really perfect for August. So I did my one signature, put together one signature already. All papers are from this paper pad, and then I put the paper bags in between each signature. So this is exactly the same style I have been doing lately, except instead of the cereal box, it's going to be the journal with soft spine this time. So I just wanted to show you my process, since this one is a little bit different. I extend my pages. There was one video where I showed how I extend my pages and put the signatures together, so I don't show this anymore. I figured it was very simple. Doesn't need a tutorial or anything like that. But yeah, so I'm going to end up with 2 more signatures just like that. Maybe 4. we will see. I think the spine can accommodate more, but I am going to start working on it. I'm going to give my journal a title like I usually like to. I'm probably going to have a subtitle as well, and I'm not stopping here. I'm going to film a process of starting my first signature, and as usual I will keep my signatures unbound until it's time, until they're finished, to allow me opportunity to do some stitching whenever I want to do that, and I will bind them at the end. So again, please stay tuned, the video will continue. Hello again. I think this is going to be it for me for today's session with this journal. So I created the cover today, put together my first signature, and then I started filling up my first signature. So I I'm going to go see the Odyssey on Friday, and I'm really looking forward to it. But I like giving my journal titles. I think you already noticed that. And I usually like to tie them to something that is happening that month. And since there's an Odyssey, or the Odyssey movie that I'm going to see, and since the Odyssey symbolizes the journey, I thought I would play around with that. So I have my Gentle Odyssey, Little Treasures Along the Way. And then a dedication that says, "Here begins a gentle odyssey, measured not in miles, but in moments worth remembering. May this record bear faithful witness to the quiet adventures of an ordinary life." And then I just did my introduction, and then I had little cluster that I have previously created, so I used that. And I'm starting this journal today, so it says August 5, and then hopefully tomorrow I can start working on August 1. And then my plan is to try not to get behind like I did with the other journals, and I will still go back to the other journal, but I'm going to see if I can stay current with August. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon with another video. Bye.